Hello everyone, let's get started with downloading Python. So go to python.org, mouse over downloads, and you'll see an option that appears in this window. So whether you have a Windows computer, you would click here, or if you have a Mac computer, click here. If you have trouble locating it, you can also look at the full list of downloads and download Python from there. You always want to download the latest version of Python. So right now we're at 3.6.5, so I would download that version. I've obviously downloaded Python before, but just click the run button and it'll start installing. I can try repairing to see if there's anything to repair. And just let it run. Obviously it'll install by itself, and then there's not much else to do. So it's repairing my test suite. So maybe something happened to it with the multiple times I've been installing and uninstalling Python for all the different softwares I was testing. And we got a repair that was successful. You will have an installation that was successful. And that wraps up our installation of Python from python.org. In our next lecture, we will install Anaconda. So I will see you there. Thanks, everyone.